I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope कि आपने जून 2022 की एग्जाम्स की प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दी है because टाइम बहुत कम है and you should prepare, you should start your preparation on time. So if you already don't know, I host free special live classes on Unacademy daily at 7 p.m. for CS executive students for company law and JIGL. अगर अभी तक भी आपने अपनी प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट नहीं की है and in any case आप CS executive का मॉड्यूल 1 दे रहे हो तो I host free classes. Yes, the classes are totally free of cost. जून के लिए company law and JIGL की full preparation will be free of cost. You just have to unlock this session by using my code CSJAS. So I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 26th and 27th January sharp at 7 p.m. The time stays always the same. Today's class is on transfer or transmission of securities as we are doing the chapter 2 of company law, and tomorrow we will discuss the powers of the board to refuse the registration. So I am targeting to complete the shares and share capital chapter within this week, so I'll target to complete it. Other than that, classes 100% educational hoti hai, and I also conduct the polls, that is a question answer series which are really enjoyable by all the students. So I would highly request you कि अगर अभी तक भी आपने ये सेशन ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सेशन बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. You can join the session and avail the benefit of free live classes. You can ask your doubts, you can study with me. Even if you have prepared once you are revising, still you can come up and study with me. It's just a kind of revision with me. So दोनों ही classes के class links you will find in the description box. Click on the class link and press notify me so that before the session begins you get a reminder in the form of a notification. Other than that, if you're looking for full-fledged courses for CA, CS, CMA, then Unacademy offers online live courses as well. You can get the subscription. There are new batches for CSET, CS Executive, so you can go and check the description box below. You can find the new batches for CSET as well as CS Executive. You can click on the batch link and get the subscription by using my code CSJAS. You will get flat 10% discount as well as a mentorship live video call with me. Other than that, if you get the subscription today, you will also get a benefit of 6 months subscription extension. Yes, this is a special Republic Day offer for all of you by Unacademy. So looking forward to meet you all today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.